On June 29, 1999, during the Kargil War, the brave Nayak Kashmir Singh of the Indian Army was martyred while fighting the Pakistanis. Kashmir Singh was from Dehradun, Uttarakhand, and was born on October 2, 1966. After completing his education at the age of 19, he joined the army. He was recruited in the 18th Garhwal Rifles Battalion. It is an infantry regiment which is widely known for its courageous soldiers and many war exploits. During the Kargil War, Nayak Kashmir Singh's unit was deployed in the Kargil sector under Operation Vijay, in which the soldiers were tasked to attack a target point of 4700. On June 29, 1999, the Pakistani army started heavy shelling on the Indian army. During this time, Nayak Kashmir Singh saw that a sangar on the southern slope was obstructing the progress of the soldiers. Without caring for himself, Nayak Kashmir Singh eliminated the sangar. In this moment, he was shot by enemy soldiers' gun and was injured. He succumbed to the continuous bleeding and slept forever in the lap of Ma Bharati. Nayak Kashmir Singh was a brave and committed soldier who sacrificed his life in the line of duty. Nayak Kashmir Singh was awarded the Veer Chakra posthumously for his bravery, indomitable fighting spirit, and supreme sacrifice. Rajendra Nath Lahiri was born on June 29, 1901 in Pabna district of Bengal. A dedicated revolutionary, Lahiri played a significant role in the Indian freedom struggle, and he was a member of Hindustan Republican Association, a key revolutionary organization aiming to end British rule in India. Lahiri is the best remembered for his involvement in the Kakori train action on August 9, 1925. Along fellow revolutionaries Ram Prasad Bismil, Ashfaqullah Khan, and Thakur Roshan Singh, Lahiri participated in the daring plan to loot a British government treasury train. This act was intended to convey that the revolutionaries' fight was against British colonial rule and not the common people. Following the Kakori incident, Lahiri and his comrades were arrested. On December 17, 1927, they were executed in Gonda jail. Rajendra Nath Lahiri's final words were, "I am not going to die but am being reborn to make India independent." Lahiri's sacrifice remains a poignant chapter in India's struggle for independence, symbolizing the bravery and determination of those who fought against colonial oppression. Prashant Chandra Mahalanobis, born on June 29, 1893 in Bengal, was a pioneering Indian scientist and statistician. He founded the Indian Statistical Institute in 1931, which has become a world-renowned center for statistical research and education. Mahalanobis is best known for developing the Mahalanobis distance, a crucial concept in statistics for analyzing multivariate data. His work significantly advanced the field of statistics and had a profound impact on economic planning in India. During India's second five-year plan, Mahalanobis played a pivotal role by applying statistical methods to promote industrialization and economic development. He also established the National Sample Survey, which systematically collected and analyzed social and economic data across the country. In recognition of his contributions to statistics and economic planning, Mahalanobis' birth anniversary is celebrated as National Statistics Day in India. He was awarded the Padma Vibhushan in 1968 for his exceptional service to the nation. Prashant Chandra Mahalanobis passed away on June 28, 1972, leaving behind a legacy of scientific excellence and national development.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी, एमफिल करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी, एमफिल करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी, RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी, RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी भविष्य को लेकर परेशान है? RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी है इसका हल। PhD, MPhil किसी भी विषय में, डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी, एजुकेशन ग्लोरिफाइज नेशन।
Damodar Dharmanand Kosambi passed away on June 29, 1966. Born on July 31, 1907, Kosambi was a renowned mathematician and Marxist historian who made significant contribution to the study of ancient Indian history. His notable works include an introduction to the study of Indian history and myth and reality, studies in the formation of Indian culture, which provide deep insights into Indian history, culture, and politics. Kosambi served as a professor at Harvard University, where he focused on mathematics, history, and linguistics. He later taught at Kashi Hindu University and Aligarh Muslim University. In 1944, he published the influential article Estimation of Map Distance from Recombination Values, known today as the Kosambi map function. In 1946, he joined the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, where he worked for 16 years, furthering his interdisciplinary research and leaving a lasting impact on both historical and scientific studies. On June 29, 2007, Sachin Tendulkar etched his name in cricket history by becoming the first player to score 15,000 runs in one-day international cricket. The monumental achievement, still unbroken, came nearly 18 years after he began his ODI career on December 18, 1989. Tendulkar's ODI career is marked by remarkable records, including a total of 18,426 runs, the highest in the format's history. He also holds the record for 100 international centuries, spanning both Test and ODI cricket. Over a career exceeding 2 decades, Tendulkar represented India in 6 World Cups and was a crucial part of the 2011 World Cup winning team under the Mahendra Singh Dhoni's captaincy. Beyond his batting prowess, Tendulkar's contributions to cricket have been recognized with numerous accolades, including the Arjun Award, the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, the Padma Shri, the Padma Vibhushan, and the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award. Sachin Tendulkar's enduring legacy and unmatched records continue to inspire and set benchmarks in the world of cricket.